So we went through the home inspection, we remedied it, financing is in place, condo docs may have been reviewed, whatever the situation is, and the conditions are waived. So what this means is you basically need to move by the time that it's possession date. So if possession is in 3 weeks or 4 weeks, now it's time for you and I to work together to see, what's your next steps? Where do you need to go? Like, are you renting a place? Are you moving abroad? Are you downsizing into like? So we need to know where your destination is, because I need to make sure that either myself or one of my teammates has your needs covered. So anyway, we will take that next step, but your responsibility is to make sure that your home is vacant and reasonably clean. Like clean the kitchen, the bathrooms, make sure the floors are cleaned. If there's a professional cleaning, make sure that you get it done and you provide receipts for evidence of that. But just, imagine what it was like when you first bought your home, and what did it feel like when you walked through? And imagine a potential buyer. Like, we want to make sure it's a good experience.